Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Bootstrap series. Create a block element Bootstrap button. Normally your button elements with the button and button default classes are only as wide as the text that they contain. For example, this will show only as long as submitting. This button will be only as wide as the word submit. By making them block element with the additional class of button block, your button will stretch to fill your page's entire horizontal space, and any elements following it will flow onto a new line below the block, like this in btn block. This button would take 100% of the available width. In that case, if we want to convert it into button block with means it will take full width of the page like this. Let's add Bootstrap's button block. I have added that class to your Bootstrap button. Run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.